When it comes to choosing motorcycle switches, we offer a diverse range of options to meet all your needs, in high-quality copper wire, plastic housing, pins, and waterproof design. Our selection includes both OEM-style and universal choices. Join us to find out the key feature of our switches to upgrade your motorcycle, scooter, ATV, or enhance your business. We use high-quality copper wiring in our motorcycle switches to ensure excellent conductivity and durability. Great quality copper guarantees reliable signal transmission, switches longevity, and responsiveness. We also provide a variety of connector and terminal for all the customized needs. All the wires are tested for conductivity in our factory before delivered to our client. We also inspect the waterproof design from IPX4 to IP68 to make sure the function works well in moisture environments. Every client has unique preference and requirements. That's why we provide a range of options, from OEM style to universal switches. Our OEM style switches are designed to match the original bike model, ensure a seamless fit with your motorcycle. We also offer a variety of universal switches to meet your need. Client can customize the design and function with us. From wiring and connector to color, you can decide every details you need. Elevate your offering to create a truly unique experience for you and your customers. Whether you need to replace existing motorcycle switches or assemble them for a new vehicle, our motorcycle switches are the best choice for you. With high-quality insurance and long service life, these features will ensure your motorcycle switches maintain peak performance and safety while riding. Check out our website for more info.